Okay, so
Assalamualaikum. I'm Tofik Aziz. It's my first time to come in here. It's called Bhadra Park, but most people known as Adhiya Park. I think that I guess this park is very short and that's not like the perfect place in the Rajshahi big city. It's mainly, if I say, it's perfect for sales. There is a many kinds of child enjoyable place, a child enjoyable instrument. There is a boat. There is a train. A lot of child can, if he can to enjoy, he can go. He can come in here, and there's the bad side. If I say the bitter side of this park, that is this is a very shorter and that I guess. So in the short time, I don't guess more than so. This is thank you.
that's all about. Thank you very much. Good.